Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making okra soup. So let me show you some of the ingredients I will be using for this soup. Here is my okra, washed and sliced. I don't like my okra really tiny. Like this size is okay for me because when I'm eating it I still like to get pieces of the okra. So here is the okra and here is my meat. I have a lamb meat and the shaki cow intestine. So that is what I will be using here. Then I have some of my palm oil, my onions, salt to taste, thyme, pepper and curry. So guys, let's cook. So first we're going to be boiling our meat on a low heat, not very high, because we're not going to be adding water. We're going to leave the meat to steam. So I'm going to go ahead and add in some salt to taste. Some of my black pepper. A little bit of my thyme and a little bit of my curry powder. And I'm going to be adding my sliced onions. So I'm going to go ahead and stir that. So we'll cover it and allow it to cook. And guys, I want to introduce you to this oat fufu. Yeah, if you are in Nigeria, you will be familiar with this cocoa oats. You can make it for fresh cook, water and some milk, but we're going to be making it in a swallow. So this is what the fufu will be eating today. So guys, if you have that, you see, we're going to go ahead and blend it to powder form. We'll blend it, then we'll see how it turns out to be. Come with me guys. So I'm going to go ahead and pour it inside my blender. I know some of you will be wondering, what is this woman doing? Cocoa oat as fufu? Yeah, you can, especially for ladies or whoever that is worried about weight. You're adding weight. This is a very healthy way you can enjoy your favorite soup, without being worried of adding lots of weight. Our oats is very rich in fiber, so it's very healthy. Very, very healthy. If you are watching weight, this is the perfect choice for you. So we're going to go ahead and blend. Okay guys, look at that. See it? So we have it smooth in powder form. So I'm gonna set aside and boil our water. As you can see here, I have some of my water. I have my water in the pot. I'll go ahead and add some of my olive oil. I'll add a little bit of olive oil in the water. To prevent the fufu from really sticking to the pot, when I'm making it. So we're going to leave the water and allow it to boil. We'll bring it to a boiling point, then we'll be back. So I transferred my blended oat to a clean dry bowl. So our water, as you can see, our water is boiled. So I'm going to reduce the heat. I'm going to take out some of the water. We'll use it later. So I'm going to be adding that. As you're pouring, make sure you're stirring. Okay, guys, as you can see, so you keep turning, you keep pouring and turning until you get your desirable, you get it how you want it. So at this point, I'm gonna, the water I took before, I'm gonna add a little bit of it back to the pot. So I'm gonna cover it. So I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for some minutes. We'll be back. So we are back after some minutes. As you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the heat. Guys, as you can see, our oat meal fufu is looking really good. No lumps, you know, see? Just perfect the way I want it. I don't like my fufu really hard and I don't like it really soft, so in between. And this is exactly how I want it, see? So I've taken it out from the heat. So I'm going to stir until, see, guys, see? It's just how I want it. So our meal fufu is ready, guys. See? Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Really hot. Look at that. Whew. Lovely. So I'm going to go ahead and start packing it the way I want to. The way I'm going to be dishing it. Added our meat is almost cooked. So I added some water. The water I'll be using to cook my okra soup, I added the water to it. So I'm going to go ahead and add my palm oil. So give it a quick stir. So I'm going to cover it up for some minutes. I'm going to add in my okra now. Off camera, I also tested the meat to see if I still need to add some of spices. So I added a little bit of salt and black pepper. So you can test you can add your spice to your own taste. So I'm going to give it a stir. have so many ways of cooking my okra. I have a way I cook without the palm oil. I can cook it with some of my tomato paste. So I have different way of cooking my okra, but today I want to cook it this way with my palm oil. Just the way my mom used to do it, but she cook her own a little bit different. You know, she fry the palm oil with some onions, then add in the okra, leave it to cook for some minutes before adding her meat stock and the meat. That is normally how my mom used to cook hers. So I decided to cook my this way today. I cook sometimes, it depends on how the spirit moves me. So yeah, I'm gonna cover it up and allow the okra to cook. So I'm going to add in a little bit of spinach. Just a little bit. But you can also cook without the spinach. You can also cook your okra without the spinach. Or if you want some greens but not spinach, you can also add any leaf of your choice. And add your pumpkin leaf, any leaf of your choice at all. So I just want a little bit of the iron. My body needs it, so that's why I'm adding a little bit of spinach. So we're gonna leave it to cook for like 3 minutes, then our soup is ready. Our soup is ready. See that? So I'm gonna go ahead and dish my plate. Please come closer. That is our oat meal. Let's look at that. This is the healthiest swallow you can ever have. Very healthy. See it? So I'm going to go ahead and dish my soup. To try some of the lamb. Okay. Get that. Guys, look at that. Look at that. So let me go ahead and have a taste. Wow, look at that. Really lovely from the feel. So, delicious, really. Guys, this is really tasty. Thank you guys for cooking with me today. You can try out this recipe, the oatmeal fufu and our okra. This is a very healthy meal for those who are trying to that are watching their weight or on a journey of losing some weight. You know, this is a perfect meal for you. You know, the okra soup, we know okra is very healthy, and the oatmeal instead of the normal pounded yam and the pounded yam and gari. You know, they are very rich in carbohydrate. You want something different to suit in your weight loss journey. This is the perfect recipe for you. Guys, please do try it and leave me a comment in my comment section. And if you still have not subscribed now, what are you waiting for? Come on, guys, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, that each time I upload a new video you'll be notified. Have a wonderful Sundays and ciao ciao. Let me do justice to my food.